This video is used for introducing how to play and control medias on a single display at the event venue. Taking the example of outputting medias from a personal computer to an extended display connected to the computer, we will introduce and demonstrate that with just 4 steps in the software, you can achieve playback and control of medias on the extended display. To showcase the entire process of single display output from scratch, we will start by disconnecting any existing connections, then creating a new project, and closing the current project. Step 1. Add a video in the media window. Double-click to select the 1-minute Winter Olympics documentary. The added video will then be displayed in the list. Step 2. Click on Add Display in the stage window. The first one is the computer's native display. The second one is the extended display. Select the second one, and click OK to successfully add the extended display. Window 1 is used for placing media. In order to display the media full screen on the extended display, Window 1 must be perfectly aligned with Display 1 in both position and size. You can drag and drop Window 1 directly onto Display 1, or hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while selecting Window 1 with the mouse and dragging it towards Display 1. When the default red border of Display 1 turns white, release the mouse button to witness Window 1 automatically aligning itself with Display 1. Step 3. Select the video. Drag and drop it into Program 1 in the Program window. Step 4. Click on Turn on Display in the Stage window. Information such as the company logo, product name, and serial number will appear on the extended display. It indicates that the software has successfully taken control of the extended display. Next, click on Connect in the same stage window to output the media to the extended display. Click the Play button for Act 1 to view the playback effect of the video on the extended display. Use the Pause button to temporarily stop playback. With these 4 steps, we have completed the process of outputting medias from a personal computer to an extended display for playback and control.